Take banana peels and dry these peels in sun directly for 2 to 3 days. After 3 days, banana peels look like dry, crispy and black. Place the dried banana peels in a container. Fill the container with water. Close the lid and let the banana peels soak for 2 to 3 days in a shaded area and stir it occasionally. Dilute it to 1 part infusion and 2 to 5 parts of fresh water. Banana peel fertilizer contains many nutrients like potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, phosphorus, zinc, copper, iron, which are essential for growth and development of plants.